projects that's located along Rojas Boulevard and with the direct view of the world famous Manila Bay sunset. So we're here at the model unit area to show you yung different units that is available. So you can for yourself to experience. Okay? And then later on we'll go to dun sa one of our buildings. It's a Grand Riviera kasi is not yet constructed. We're constructing it right now. Okay? It will be completed by 2040, but we have beside it yung aming ultra high-end na development which is Golden Empire. So we can take a look and experience yung sinasabi natin na dramatic and world famous na Manila Bay sunset. Okay?
So we are here in Moldex showroom. So ito yung kanilang studio unit, price at 1.9 million. So maliit lang siya. Ito yung CR. This is the kitchen. This is the ito na yun, living room and bedroom. So sabi sa akin, hindi pa raw kasama yung fixtures and furnitures. So depende na rin sa unit owner kung anong kanyang style. It's 1.9 million facing the Manila Bay sunset. Okay, di ba? Medyo maliit lang pero studio type. Pwede for couples.
Boulevard was still Dewey Boulevard. Okay. And the US Embassy looked like this. Okay. Pero nakapila pa rin tayo noon. Okay.
Ganda ba?
One thing remained, of course, it is the beautiful Manila Bay sunset. Here are some shots, just to give you a little idea. Okay. Wouldn't you want to come home to this? Okay. But let's fast forward 50 years. Ito na si Rojas Boulevard ngayon. Diba? Kasama na dyan yung lahat ng makikita mo sa Rojas Boulevard. That's Grand Riviera, of course. Where we are right now. The Grand Riviera Suites is a high-rise residential and commercial condominium. It's located along Padre Faura in Rojas Boulevard. It's about 2,081 square meters. And we have studio, 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, and 3 bedroom units, just like what we have here. And about 199.
So this is the 1 bedroom model. This is the living room, this is the bedroom.